Oh my gosh, guys, they gave me a bidet for my remodel. I've never used a bidet before. Oh my God, I'm so excited. You guys, it is so hard to pick materials when doing a renovation sometimes because you want to be timeless and you don't want to be too trendy. Well, 300 tiles basically fell in my lap for super cheap on Facebook Marketplace, and that's what inspired this gut renovation. We are doing this renovation 100% ourselves. And if you're into DIY projects and home renovations, please like and subscribe. I want to ask you something before I show you this tile. Do you ever feel like your home decor ideas or your renovation ideas are too trendy, too cliche, and you wonder if it's gonna like have that timeless appeal and stand the test of time in a few years? Well, that's exactly what I'm going through. I really don't like trendy items. Start getting flooded with social media and everything is like French oak or everything is, you know, unlacquered brass. It starts to feel a little like, ugh, you know what I mean? So I kept that in mind when I went to Floor Decor. I found the most amazing tile for the empty spots in the bathroom. I have commented on other people's videos before, like, too much fluted wood to me is like overdone, but I mean, if you think about it, fluting comes from like classical Greek columns. And I studied that, so I know all about the classical Greek architecture columns. So you have Corinthian columns, which have the leaves. You have Ionic, which have the scroll, like the ram's ears, the scroll. And then you have Doric, which is like a disc, very simple. So fluting is classical. So I found this, guys. Actually, my husband picked it out. And I kind of was like, see, he wanted like striped wallpaper, but I like to go for a little more like minimal, clean lines, not too busy. That's just like my personal style. I also like 90s. So I want to inject a little bit of 90s throughout my home. Like the downstairs bathroom, when we do that, it's going to have like a totally different dark, moody vibe, like 90s Al Pacino era. Casino, you know, like the movie kind of reminds me of. But what do you guys think about this? It has like the ribbed, but it's not like too extreme fluting. Let me show you what this looks like in the bathroom that we've already renovated. Tile, it's my favorite because it's like, it's greige and it has a little bit of like veining or whatever. I mean, it's very, very similar. So let me show you in situ how this looks. Wait, hold on. Let me show you what it used to look like. It was a complete 80s bathroom, and my husband, he said we could do it ourselves. This is what it looks like next to the pink marble. This is what it looks like. So just imagine this. I don't know how we're gonna get it up there. Just imagine this all the way up to the ceiling. I was gonna do something a little funky. I was gonna do like antique mirror on top, right? Something like this. And then maybe like a border, something like this, and then more of this tile or this mirror all the way up. But it was just seeming a little too glam. We continue my quest for timeless home renovation products. Interesting. Terra Villa white. This one, Terra Villa gray. This one is glazed. You can see has more of a color. Have like a natural look. I really like this one. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video there, but I'm gonna work on the tiles all weekend, and when I come back, the tiles will be up. I also have a surprise, a brand new bidet. So we're gonna do a complete unboxing, and I'm also gonna have a coupon code for you. But I wanted to mention something. Remember these Kelly Wearstler sconces? Well, I need to hang them up and I need to find an electrician. But you know what? My husband is an electrician. What's up with that?